Stop waiting for buyers to find you. Start attracting them with these simple tips. First, optimize your online presence. Make your website and social media profiles shine with up-to-date info and engaging content. Next, network, network, network. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and connect with potential buyers. You never know who might be interested. Third, consider hiring a business broker. They have the expertise and connections to match you with serious buyers. Lastly, always be prepared. Have your financials, business plans, and legal documents ready. This shows buyers you're serious and professional. Remember, finding the right buyer takes time and effort. Stay positive, stay proactive, and soon you'll find the perfect match for your business. Good luck.